Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we were just answering a question somebody had about changing the navbar color on scroll and having a different color on different pages, which was pretty easy to implement just using a bit of CSS. As you can see, we've got a red one on this page and a grey one on this other page here. I've just thrown this page together quickly because I wanted to demonstrate a new feature that Divi's just brought out called extended styles, and it makes life so much easier for creating and copying styles. Now, I know I've said this before, but Divi just keeps getting better and better and easier to use. If you don't have it, you can get it from a link below here. It's a premium theme. But if you're making any WordPress sites, I really do suggest you give it a go. It's awesome. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the visual builder. And I'm going to start editing this, perhaps this left block here. So I'm going to click on this one, the little cog there. And let's just change the design. Let's change the heading text. I'll do this quite quickly. I'm not going to put too much thought into it. Let's change the font to, well, I've got one there. Let's use this one. Actually, that's heading 2, looks like up there. Let's have a look. Yep, that's it. It's kind of hard to read. Let's make it bold and see if that helps at all. That's a little bit better. Give it a bit of blue. Let's give it a bit of shadow perhaps. And a bit of animation. There we go, that'll work fine. Let's just save that. Now, rather than having to go through each of these modules and edit our H2 text there, we can use their new feature and get it all done with one click, which is absolutely awesome. So if I just go onto that module again, the little grey box, this time I'm going to right click. I'm going to go down to extend text styles, and we can do it for the whole page. We can do it just for the section, just for the row, or just for the column. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole page. Let's click this and see what happens. Boom. Great, now every H2 on this page here has changed to that ugly new font that I just changed it to. Okay, let's continue. Let's do perhaps this image here. Again, I've got the visual builder running. I'm going to click on the little cog there to edit it. Let's perhaps give it a bit of box shadow. If I'm going to give it a bit of shadow, I think I'll give it a bit more space at the bottom. Good padding at the bottom. Oh, I don't think I want quite as much as that. I don't know what happened there. 50 pixels. Yeah, that'll help. Okay, and let's give it a bit of shadow, box shadow, something that we can see. It's there, but let's make it a little more prominent. Make the spread at the bottom a little more, perhaps. There, you can definitely see that. It's fine. And perhaps a bit of animation. Or let's use something else this time. Flip. Didn't really see what that did. Fold, that'll do. Okay, let's save that. And again, you can see that image has got its box shadow and that little animation that we did and a bit more space down the bottom. So I want to apply it to all of our other images here and see what happens. It should do every image on this page now. So again, just hover over till we get the grey box up, right click this time, just like we did before, and extend image styles. Again, I'll do the whole page. Bang, there we are. It's done that one. Done those two. And it's also done these 4 here. Fantastic. All right, these ones, perhaps the gap's a little too much. So let's quickly go in here and go to the design, and that bit of padding that I did before, let's cut it down. Spacing, padding 50 pixels, let's say 10 pixels perhaps. Maybe 20 pixels. Okay, that's fine. And we just want to apply that to this. So we can, two ways we can do it. Let's save that, move it over. We can do it just like we did before, which I won't do because we already know how to do that. We can do extend image style, and we can do just this row with these on it. That will do it, but I'm going to cancel that because we know how to do that already. The other way is to right click and copy module styles, then go on the next one, right click, paste module style, and as you can see, as I'm doing it, it's bringing it back up again. So that way you can do it without affecting the others, and like they say, there's many ways to skin a cat. Never did quite get that phrase, but there we are. This means there's plenty of different ways of doing it. Great, well, let's continue on. Let's look at this text here. Let's change the text type. And let's align this all left, shall we? So into the design as well. Text. The moment we've got the default font, I'm not going to spend a lot of time finding a font. Let's make it Arial. Okay, and regular's fine. I'll leave the color as it is. Don't want any shadow or anything. Let's give it a little animation. Zoom. There we go. And let's actually make it left align. So go down here. Here's our alignment. Let's pull that all over to the left. That should have made our titles at the top, that as well. So we'll save that. And again, I don't want to apply it to that top one. If I apply this, well, let's just try it. It'll pull that over the left. Actually, that'll look quite good. Let's go ahead and do that. So again, I'm going to go here, extend text styles to the whole page. What I was worried about, it's going to pull those left, but those actually look quite good over to the left. And as you can see, it's pulled all this over to the left. Fantastic. Right, one more, last but not least. Let's do something with these buttons here. Okay. Let's just change the background color, shall we go? I have no idea what I'm going to put in there. Let's do perhaps a darker blue. That's fine. Button hover background color. Let's make it green, perhaps. And we will give it, well, we don't want to give it any text shadow. I do want a bit of box shadow, just like we had for that image, perhaps, something like that. And again, we'll make it a little more pronounced. There we go, there's a definite shadow going on there. Save that. Again, as you can see, that hover color worked fine there. Again, extend button styles. Whole page, this page. Now all our buttons should have that styling. Now that is absolutely awesome. I'm really pleased with that. So let's save our changes. And exit the Visual Builder. And there you have it. There is how to change your styles really quickly using that new extended styles feature from Divi. That's awesome. That really is awesome. Okay, what I'd like to see though would be for us to be able to copy these styles and apply them to a different page here. Now, I tried it just now and I didn't see a way of actually doing it. I thought we could copy and paste the styles, but I've just thought of a workaround if you do want to do this. Let's enable our visual builder again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply, how big is this section? So I'm going to go and copy this section right here and save it to my library with this little icon right here. And we'll call, just call it new style. Save to library. Now let's go to that other page, page 1. Enable the visual builder. And let's just add this section from library. There it is, new style. There's that section right there. Now let's see if we can apply extend section styles to the whole page. Alright, we'll have to do it individually, looks like. So let's click on first the image. Extend the image styles to the whole page. So those images, as you can see, they've changed now. Let's do this next block. Extend text styles to the whole page. As you can see, the text styles down below have now changed. These are blogs, we'd have to do those differently. And let's do the same for our button styles. And there we go, that's changed in there. Now we can just simply remove this section that we added just there. Hit the little trash can, it's gone. Now our next page now has those styles as well. Simply save, I'm not going to save, but simply save your visual builder and exit, and then you've imported those styles from the other page. It's a little workaround. There may well be an easier way of doing that, but that's the way I quickly found today. So if we go back, I'm going to leave. I don't want to save those changes. Here we are. There's all our new styles. So I hope you found that useful. Like I say, Divi is absolutely awesome. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. If you're interested in web development, have a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses. There's also some premium courses down there with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.